In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Zephyr plugin in Jira. This powerful tool will help enhance your issue tracking and test management capabilities within Jira, making your workflow more efficient. Whether you're coordinating a complex project or managing a small-scale task, integrating Zephyr can streamline your test management processes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to Jira by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL that directs you to your Jira dashboard. Once you're logged into Jira, you will find yourself on the home page, which might be familiar if you've been using Jira for your project management needs. Next, keep an eye on the right side of your screen. You'll see a set of options, one of which is labeled Apps. Now, this is your gateway to exploring a vast array of add-ons and plugins that can boost your Jira experience. Go ahead and click on Apps. This action takes you to a new interface where you'll find options to manage existing plugins or discover new ones. Now, you're going to click on the option that says Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, a repository of tools and utilities designed to integrate seamlessly with your Jira setup. At this stage, we're going to look for the Zephyr plugin. In the Marketplace's search bar, type in Zephyr and press Enter. The search will return several options, but we're specifically looking for the Zephyr for Jira plugin, which is highly popular for its test management capabilities. Once you see Zephyr in the search results, click on it. This will bring up a detailed page about Zephyr, including its features, pricing, and user reviews. Here, you can get a sense of what Zephyr will bring to your workflow and whether it's the right fit for your needs. To proceed with the installation, click on the button that says Try it free. This option allows you to test out Zephyr without any initial financial commitment. After you've clicked Try it free, you'll be prompted to select an edition and site that best fits your specific Jira setup. This ensures you're trialing the plugin where it's needed most. After selecting your preferred configuration, click Review. Take a moment here to double-check your choices, ensuring everything is tailored to your current project needs and team setup. Finally, click on Start Free Trial. This will begin the installation process of Zephyr within your Jira environment. Once complete, you'll have immediate access to Zephyr's suite of test management tools, enabling you to enhance your test tracking, reporting, and overall project oversight. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Zephyr in Jira. Explore the plugin, familiarize yourself with its features, and integrate it into your project's workflow as you see fit. Thank you for following along, and happy testing.